Okay, so we're in the room 201, and this is what we have on the screen.
So I set it back to the the TV source, which sometimes says TV, sometimes says analog. I always want to take it off of HDMI 1 just so we know we're getting it straight from the analog system. On the back, obviously, make sure the data cable is unplugged from the TV, because we're not going to use this if it's not otherwise. Then what we're going to do, we're going to hit the mute button, 119, and then my enter button is that middle one. And on the screen we'll get hospitality mode, SI vendor. Want to make sure hospitality mode is set to interactive. SI vendor will be MTI. I'm going to go up and kind of play around with it, because if it's not set to MTI, you want to set it to that. Then it's going to pull up this set of settings. You'll see that menu shortened off a lot, because now we've just set it to the MTI setting. Power volume, user defined, it's usually the power up button. It's going to always be factory default. Power on volume, number 10. I have no idea what that is, but the guy assured me it was not relevant. Minimum volume, he wanted us to always set it to min volume 0, max volume 65. I guess that's to help prevent from the speakers blowing out. Power source, that's the source where you want it to, when you hit power button on the remote, whichever output you want, whether it's HDMI 1 or 2. I know some TVs like this one has HDMI 1 as the ARC HDMI, and then the other one's a DVI. I prefer ARC, it's better, it's more compatible, but if your TV has no differential, then it wouldn't matter. Then lap power on option, I mean, that's what that is. I don't know why it even includes it unless you want to do some finagling on it. When everything is